Hello? Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're doing well. I hope we've been doing well. This looks different, right? Yeah, so I moved across the country. This is my new house, my new YouTube setup, and my streaming setup. I hope you guys like this room because this is where we'll be filming for a while. So recently I updated my Amazon wishlist and I put this on it. And one of you lovely viewers, one of you lovely subscribers bought this for me, which was incredibly sweet. So shout out to Nathan for gifting me this off my Amazon wishlist. This is really cool. I'm kind of obsessed. I have always felt so enthralled. Is that the word? Enthralled by Tusken Raiders. Especially since watching the Book of Boba Fett, I have been in love with Tusken Raiders. Specifically, the female warrior that was in the Book of Boba Fett, who was played by the incredible stuntwoman, Joanna Bennett. Shout out to Joanna Bennett. She's incredible, like truly such an inspiration. And I felt so inspired by her character, so it kind of created this newfound love for Tusken Raiders. So Nathan decided to buy this off of my Amazon wishlist for me. I'll include all the links down below if you guys want to buy one. But this is the Artist Series Tusken Raider Barbaric Desert Tribe 1:7 scale pre-painted model kit. It comes in a box, really pretty box that looks like this. I love the sides of it. I have a couple other 1:6 scale models. This is my first 1:6 scale model that I ever bought. It is a original Sideshow Darth Maul from 2005. He's beautiful and I love him to death. I love him to death. I'm gonna marry him. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the top, and I believe this is a print on top of it, which is super cool. It is a print. Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna put this in my room. It comes with a print of the Tusken Raider. And then this is just how to assemble the kit. It comes with all these different pieces and we have to put it together. And that should be pretty easy because I play Star Wars Legion and I assemble these things, but like a 1/16 of this size, you know what I mean? Because they're really small miniatures. So this is what it's looking like. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. There's nothing else in the box. I love how there's like skulls on the base too. This Tusken Raider statue goes for $349.99. and it is specifically a New Hope Tusken Raider. Here we have the plastic base. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, okay. Okay, so it's looking like we have a bunch of things. We have the base here, which is basically what we're gonna put the Tusken Warrior on. We have a piece of like a cape thing. Oh, we have his torso. Insert parts into N in the order of M, then K. Okay, so this is M, and we're going to put it in like so. There we go. We have the first part of this assembled. And then we have to get K, which is the torso. Goes right on top of this. Okay, I'm obsessed. And then L and J, which are the arms. Now these are not the arms. A lot of this stuff is very well made. I know a lot of the Sideshow stuff and like the Hot Toys and Gentle Giant, it's all very expensive. But this one being around $349 is a very good price for what you get. A lot of these can be kind of hard to get into the holes, but you kind of have to be very firm with it, but not break it, you know. Building this is really making me want to get Tusken Raiders and Star Wars Legion. I'm not even sure if Star Wars Legion has Tusken Raiders, but I'll have to see if they do. All right, he's coming together quite beautifully. Yep. And now we should get the head, which comes in this little package. Look at him. He's a dude. And he has a ball joint, which you just stick his head on the ball. I need someone to help me. Oh, there we go. We did it. Okay, we did it. We did it. We did it. All right. This is going great. Okay, and now all we have to do is the skulls, which shouldn't be too hard. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Y'all, I need a moment. He is way too pretty. Oh Lord. Let me just... Are y'all seeing this right now? Like, what? The detail on this is incredible. I am blown away. I am quite blown away. I'm gonna show you guys this close up because I'm blown away. Here he is. I mean, dude. I mean, down to his face, to the rifle, even down to the base. The base is insanely detailed. The back, I am truly blown away by this entire 1-to-7 scale figure. He's so pretty. Wow. I'm very happy. I'm happy with this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video featuring this beautiful 1-to-7 scale pre-painted model Tusken Raider. I wasn't expecting it to be this, like, gorgeous. I keep saying it, but like, it's truly gorgeous. It's truly one of a kind. You would never expect this to be plastic. It looks ceramic, you know? But I appreciate you guys watching this. If you'd like to buy this model, I'll put links down below to where you can find it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this figure. If you have any 1-to-6 scale or 1-to-7 scale or any model figures, let me know which one you guys have because I would love to hear about your collections. I appreciate you guys watching this today. It feels good to be back, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the force be with you. Always. I think this is a fine addition to my collection.